Hello guys, this is my first purchase from TikTok shop. It's a set of DIY lashes. The picture looked like it was coming with the glue and all that, but I think I got a notification that it wasn't. So let's see what it looks like. I'm going to fix this for myself. I've been so scared to buy anything from TikTok because I don't know, you pick an item, it's £4, delivery is like £21, so I don't just get the concept. But then I realized that it's not on all the products, and there are still lots of products on TikTok that has the standard shipping fee of £3.99 or thereabouts. So yeah, it looks nice. Looks really good. So I'm going to try to do this. Luckily I've got a set. I think I got this from Superdrug. It was about 20 quid, but this is just about £1.30 something. So guys, I will try to drop the link. It's really nice. There's one you can get that comes with all the set of the remover, the tweezer, the applicator, and the glue, just like this. So this is already a set I have, and I've exhausted the lashes, so I'm going to use the accessories from this to do this one. Yeah, I really like it. It's a whole lot thicker. It looks a bit stiff, but we'll know when I fix it. Yeah, so let's do this. So if you check the link, you will see this set that comes with an applicator, a remover, and a bond. But like I said, my lash only came this because probably this is what I picked, but the picture had all of this in it. Yeah. I'm sure with all of this it will cost a bit more, but with just this it's just about £1.25, 35 quid or 25. It's really not expensive, you know. So I'm going to use this to, it's my applicator, this is my bond, and then so I'm going to start with the longest. I'll just have a mix. I'll do a little bit of hybrid lash sets. I'll just have, oh, but it's really long, so I think I'll start with the second longest length as my longest, and then I'll just mix it up. So you want to pick it from the base. Sometimes when you try to drag it from up here, it just messes up the whole thing. So you want to take it from here, like hold the base and pull. Oh wow, it's pulling everything at once. That's not what I want, just one at a time. So yeah, you hold it, you take your bond, you do this on the bond, you put it behind. Yeah, some bond you might need to let it dry a bit before you place, but I just blow on it and then I hold with my applicator. Oh, it's really thick. Let me see what it looks like. Let's see up there. Oh, nice, lovely. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. So yeah, the glue just has a kind of a minty feel. Then it dries up. And then I also I don't want to put a tape to my eyes because I want to be getting the feeling at the lower base of my lash, so I know when there's any kind of rough pokey feeling, so I quickly correct it down when I'm done with the whole lashes. You get. It's really, really lovely. like you can see from the side. It's so beautiful. I absolutely love it, and you can see the obvious difference with this side of my face and this one. So I'm going to just go ahead and finish up this side, and then I'll show you guys the finished work. All the way. Which one? So guys, this is beautiful. I love it so much, and the brand that sold this lash to me, it doesn't have. So guys, this is yes, go ahead and shop this. I don't know if I can connect the link of this product to this video, but I'll try now, guys, because it's really lovely.